Hello my dear students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy, myself Sandeep Adari. Now in this video, I would like to tell you how GATE data science paper can boost your career. Now my dear students, using in the current trend, like using artificial intelligence, or if you talk about machine learning or using data science, lot of things are moving into automation. Now my dear students, who was having an hands-on experience how data can be scrutinized or how to call the data from a cloud and how this data can be actually used by a data engineer in machine learning and all. All these things will be discussed in this video. Now my dear students, why we have to choose GATE DA paper? Because for students who are especially specialized in AI and ML paper, they can be choosing the GATE DA paper. And remember, my dear students, who are from CS background also, subjects like algorithms, data, C and data structures, DBMS are common for both data science and CS. But remember, mathematics plays a very important role. Your mathematics plays very important role for data science. Now, if you see the syllabus also, it is industrial relevant syllabus because you will be start learning the Python and you will be more concentrating on the logistic regressions, linear regressions, and also the mathematics which is required for machine learning. And it is accepted by the top institutes in India. Now, what are the skills you build when you start learning data science? The first one important thing is program. If you see previously people are having hands-on experience on C programming or C++. Now it is the high time to learn Python because it is an inbuilt algorithm will be already established. You have to just form a framework and hands-on experience you will get while learning DA paper on Python. And the most important thing, my dear students, when I talk about probability and statistics, what we learn in engineering mathematics compared to other branches, we study Bayes theorem or conditional probability in one dimensional. But whereas when you start learning about data science or machine learning, you start learning in a multivariable and also, as I told you, linear regression, logistic regression. These kind of maths will definitely help you. That is the reason who are from data science paper, they are more showing interest to get a seat in Indian Statistical Institute also. And as I told you, machine learning. See, this usually we start your career as a data engineer, but in the machine learning, you'll be developing the models, LLM, large language model. And this machine learning is an important concept to develop these models. And remember, my dear students, as I told you, data structures and algorithms. When I talk about data structures, you can talk about stacks, queues, or if you talk about insertion sort, bubble sort, and trees, all these things what you have learned in computer science you will be learning in data science also, and it will help you name any programming. The algorithm plays a very important role. It is nothing but the steps what you have involved and how the algorithm can be used in a more efficient way, that you will be learning, my dear students. Now, what are the career opportunities or what are the higher education opportunities? When you do MTech in MS in AI and data artificial intelligence, you can do through the DA paper. You can do MTech in data science or machine learning, and also you can secure your MTech seat in Indian Statistical Institute. And you have a lot of research opportunities are there because it's an evolving branch and a lot of research has been happening. And regarding this, we have a lot of internships which they provide scholarship and assistantship. Now, my dear students, what are the career opportunities in data science? First one we have is the data science. It is a data scientist is an entry level where you work as a data engineer, and the second one is the machine ML engineer, which they will pay slightly higher, and you can go for AI engineer also. The most important thing, you can entry level as a data engineer and also as a data analyst. The most important thing where you are highly paid is the research engineer. For this, you have to have a hands-on experience of data, large language model, and deep learning, and also generative AI to get this as a research engineer. Now, my dear students, what is the salaries according to the industry standards? So here we have an important thing. One is the AI jobs are growing very rapidly, and the most important thing is salaries are very competitive. If a student is having a very good domain knowledge on artificial intelligence and data science, there is no bar for the salary also. Demands across all the financial sector, health sector, manufacturing, and IT is also possible. Now, if you talk about the roadmap, remember when GATE not only opens the door for private jobs or government jobs, it is the most important tool to learn your subject in application way. Here you have to first understand the syllabus, master the math, because math plays a very important role 40% of the marks in data science comes from the mathematics, and you have to learn Python programming, solve all the PYQs so that you will get an idea on which concept they are hitting. And the most important thing, you have to do the mock test. Based on that and mock test, you have to do the error analysis, where you are going correct and where you are going wrong, and revise consistently. Name any competitive exam, consistency plays a very important role. Now, what are the success stories is, as the rise of generative AI, increasing BA applicants, strong placement trends. If you see the placement trends, it is almost 50% ahead of all the other branches, and it has a huge demand in the coming up in the competitive market, which I want to tell you. Now, why we have to start now is future proof skills. We have multiple diversified opportunities, you have global opportunities, you have, and start preparing today, and you will definitely reach your goal. Now, my dear students, let me tell you why we have to start data science. Is you can start your role as a data engineer, data analyst, or a machine learning engineer, or a AI engineer, or you can start as a research engineer. Definitely research engineer will be paid high jobs, so that is the reason people are looking for masters in IITs, especially in the artificial intelligence or data science. Now, my dear students, we at IMS Gate Academy provide you one-to-one mentorship, where we give the entire roadmap for the entire preparation of data science. And remember, we are offering our offline data science batch at Bangalore Jayanagar Center, and also we are providing the online batches. Now it is the time. If you want to attend our free demo sessions, please click on the link in the description. Thank you and all the best.